Oh, udah bisa nih. Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, everybody. We from group 1. We will be presented. We will present about learning speaking for children. The first presented will be read by Arini Farhatain.
Okay. The first slide is speaking. Speaking is the process of contrasting and sharing meaning through the use of verbal and non-verbal symbols. In Paris context, Chaney 1998 until 13, speaking is an important part of the process of learning and teaching a foreign language as a second language. Although important over the years, teaching speaking has become less important, and English teachers continue to teach speaking only as repetition of exercise or memorizing dialogues. However, today's world records that the aim of teaching speaking should be to improve students' communicative abilities, because only in that way students can express themselves and learn how to follow appropriate social and cultural rules in every communication. Okay, next slide. There are several techniques to teach English speaking effectively. The first is discussion. Discussion can be evaluated when students finish working on the question. Invite them to discuss the English problems they have been working on so that they get used to finding solution and conclusion. And next is role play. Another way to improve speaking skills is to play role play. With this game, students will pretend to be people who face a social context. The teacher will provide information to students about the role play, and students will be faced with a problem. So students will make a conversation in the case that will be experienced. And next is storytelling. This activity will get students to tell a story they have heard before. You can also create your own story to tell your classmates later. Storytelling requires a high level of creativity. And the last is story completion. All students are required to form a circle. The teacher will tell a fairy tale with translate per sentence. The task of the students is to complete the sentence with their ideas, can add a character, role, and description. This technique is a lot of fun. The above technique can be applied in teaching basic English and very fun. To practice speaking English, it must be done as early as possible, starting from simple exercise like this will form a character to communicate good English. Okay.
Okay. Next will be presented by Bagas Priyo.
Okay, now is sporting ideas. There is a statistical data. A few days ago, we conducted a survey on learning to speak in children and got a pretty good response, like teaching speaking to children more effectively by storytelling, and there are also those who think it can also be through children's song. Some of them agreed that learning speaking by rote was less effective. They think that learning to speak is faster if the environment is also sportive. Then Learning speaking will be fostered by inviting the children to discuss with each other. So we conclude that children will find it easier with the methods of discussion, role play, storytelling, and competition. It will be easier to hone speaking skills in learning English in children. Okay, the next slide will be presented by Balkis.
All right, how to learn speaking techniques for children? The first, active speaking practice for elementary school. The first, introduce yourself. Example, hello friends, my name is Sony Setiawan. You can call me Sony. I'm from Labuhan Maringay, and my hobby is reading. The second is greeting. Example, vocabulary used in this material are good morning, goodbye, see you, nice to meet you, where are you going, I'm going to school, and the other. The third is expressing feeling. Example, when you want to express joy, then say, I'm happy. When you feel very happy, you say, I'm so happy, or I'm very happy, or I'm so excited. When asking how others feel, how do you feel? And that's all the active speaking practice for elementary school.
Okay, next slide. Okay, I hope this can be useful. Thank you for your attention. We from Group 1 would like to say thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.